Hi everybody, my name is Zen Tuan and I'm a licensed acupuncturist. My practice is called Healing with Zen and we are located in Pasadena, California. Our phone number is 626-377-9596 and you can find more of our work, our testimonials and blog posts on our website, which is www.healingwithzen.com. So today I wanted to give you a case study about a recent patient, and this case is going to be about tinnitus. Tinnitus is sometimes a difficult thing to treat, and it depends on the severity, how long you've had it, and the reason you have the tinnitus. A lot of my female patients will come in and they notice that tinnitus fluctuates with their hormones, perhaps, or with their period, the menses. So those usually are a lot easier to treat. They see results within a month or two while I follow their cycle. But today's case is interesting. So this is a 64-year-old male who suffers from tinnitus and hearing loss in his left ear. And this situation started in 2007. He went to the doctor who gave him an injection in his left ear and then gave him some prednisone, which seemed to help the situation a little bit. But the hearing loss and tinnitus worsened in 2017. He went to the doctor again, who said that he could probably benefit from a hearing aid, but he didn't want to do so, so he just let it be. In October 2018, he caught a cold, and he noticed from that point on his sinuses got really congested, as well as the left ear, and the tinnitus and the hearing loss both got severely worse. And then fast forward, he came to see us in February 2018. So since the beginning, it's already been 11 years of having the tinnitus and hearing loss, and the cold symptoms never fully dissipated since 6 months prior, in October 2018. When he first came to see us, his tinnitus level was at an 8 out of 10, and he described it as a constant high pitch ringing that was worse in the mornings. He didn't quite know how to gauge his hearing loss yet, so I told him to use earbuds on both sides one at a time and kind of gauge from that point on where he is at with his hearing loss. He also presented with some left neck tightness and right plantar fasciitis that is worse when he runs or exercises. So we decided to go through with treatment. We started with 2 times a week for 2 weeks and moved on to 1 time a week for 1 month, with a total of 12 treatments. Actually, I'm very excited because just 2 treatments before we finished, he came in and said, "I can't believe it. I left here and for the first time, I noticed that the sinus was completely clear for once, which he hasn't felt since before his cold. And also he noticed his left ear had almost no ringing for the first time. Now the ringing and the sinus congestion continued to get worse as the day progressed and the following day. But I was super excited to hear that breakthrough that we actually got through to clear up his sinuses and to open up the ear, the orifice. At the end of his first treatment course, his tinnitus was down to about a 5 out of 10, and it wasn't constant anymore. He noticed it would fluctuate throughout the day, and his hearing loss, he gauged it at about 20% of what he could hear on the right side. Now, unfortunately, I feel like there could be some kind of physical blockage in his left sinus and nasal cavity, which may not be completely reversible, and there are boundaries of what acupuncture can or cannot do. But what we can do is continue to stimulate the circulation to that area to lessen any of the inflammation, to help it heal completely so that he does feel more clear in his sinus as well as his ear. Now, I urged him to take some Chinese herbs to facilitate the process, but he was very wary. And We didn't start herbs until maybe 1 month into our treatment. And since that point, I feel like it really sped up the process. Just after 1 or 2 treatments in the beginning, he did notice that there were changes in his hearing and his tinnitus already. So I told him at this reevaluation that let's amp it up, let's step it up, and go to 2 to 3 times a week. Now that we're able to break through and open things up, um, let's try that for about 2 to 3 weeks, and I think that he's going to notice an even bigger change. Now, keep in mind, this is a chronic 11-year problem. Had he come to see us earlier, I think his symptoms may have cleared quicker or be completely gone by now. But because this is a chronic case, it does take a little bit more time, and I would say 3 to 6 months, 2 to 3 times a week. If you're consistent, I think you can see great results. If you have any questions about the case, or if you know anybody who has a similar case, I would love to delve in and evaluate them and see if I can help. Once again, my name is Zen Tuan. I'm a licensed acupuncturist at Healing with Zen. If you have any questions, go ahead and visit our website. You can contact us at 626-377-9596 or visit us at www.healingwithzen.com. We're in Pasadena, California, so if you're close by, definitely reach out to us. Thank you for watching.